This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to make the icons bigger on your Android phone. So you can see everything a little bit easier. If you swipe down from the top right. Let's go to settings. Now under settings we want to go on down to where it says display. And we are looking for display text size and just size overall. Now go to where it says display size. This is the one that will actually make the applications bigger. So you can see on the preview on the top, here's all the different applications. And we can scroll through the preview and just see different aspects of the phone, how big they will look. So just go bigger or smaller with display size. And that should also make the text size bigger, but you do have an option just for text size right here. So maybe I'll go just one display size and 2 or 3 text size. And then we can make the text bold, which I have so it's easier to read, or high contrast. So look at these options under display. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.